Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to insert Google Drive videos into Google Slide presentations. My name is Tyler Osborne. So there's various reasons why you might choose to host your video on Google Drive instead of YouTube or some other service. For example, your school division might restrict the use of YouTube for teachers and students, or perhaps you just want to avoid some of the suggested videos at the end. Whatever the reason, it's very easy to do. So right now I'm in my 21-cent test slideshow presentation, and I created a new slide here, and I'm just going to go into the insert button and then scroll down to video. Now, I'll back up here. This is typically what you get the first time you see. You can search YouTube for a video, or if you have the exact URL of the video from YouTube, you can paste it right there. But we're trying to paste videos from Google Drive. So we're going to hit the Drive button, and it takes you into your Google Drive. Now, if it's a video that you just created, the easiest place to find it is recent. If it's a video that's been shared with you, the Shared With You tab is great. Or if you just want all the videos from your drive, then My Drive. Now, I'm just going to pick a video at random because it doesn't really matter. And I'll take this probability and data management video, and I'm going to press select. So it just plunks it on in there. Now, you can move it around, and you can resize it to whatever size that you want. So let's say I want it right there in this slideshow presentation. Now, the video isn't, is it viewable right now? I don't know, it's not viewable right now. The video isn't viewable at this point. In order to make it viewable, what you have to do is actually present the slide. So I'm going to go to present. And here's my slide, and you can see that it loads it up as a video, and now that button is actually clickable. So I can click the button, and it loads it up. I'm just going to skip ahead a little bit here.
Which category is the most popular?
Pause it there. It loads it up as if it's a YouTube video, and you can see, you can make it full screen if you want. It looks just like the YouTube interface, and the reason for that is that YouTube actually owns, Google actually owns YouTube, and so the interface looks just the same. To get out, I just press the escape button, and it takes me back to the edit mode of my Google Slide. All right, that's all you need to know about sharing a Google Drive video file from inside of a Google Slide. If this video was helpful to you, please consider leaving some feedback in my Google form on the website. Thanks for watching.